Edzjourneys, welcome back to my channels, and to all the new and not subscribed yet to my channels, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell button down below. And of course, I will going to show you how I make my adobo or how I cook my adobo. So this is my own recipe, of course, and I have like a shoulder back pork here. I will be using apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyway, I got bay leaves, I have soy sauce, and I have honey, and of course I have black pepper. So first step, I was already chopped some onion and garlic onto my pan. And of course, I was just putting in my pork. That's how I cook my adobo, guys. So, just keep on watching. I'm just showing you how I cook my adobo, of course. So, if you have your own recipe, just do. If you want to try my recipe, it's really good too. And of course, I'll just put some soy sauce. Yes, that's how much it is. And maybe about 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, there you go, of this mirin. And I have this apple cider vinegar. I will be using apple cider vinegar, guys. Tablespoon, and a tablespoon of honey, there you go, pepper, mix it together. And of course, add some water, maybe one cup of water, guys. And smell good. And of course, I have bay leaves here. I need 2 leaves. Just break it. And I will adding 1 cup of water. There you go. Add a little bit more of soy sauce, guys, because I will be adding some potato later on, and of course also water. Go. I will putting potato because I don't need to eat rice. Just put a lot of potato later. And more water. That's how the way I cook my adobo. So this saucepan I will be going to put now into the stove. First I was showing you. Guys, that's how it look like. Okay, this is now our adobo. I am putting my potatoes. I am putting about 6 pieces of potatoes, guys. Why? It's just because I don't need to eat rice. I don't need rice, so I used to put potato and just continue boiling until about 10 minutes. Then adding my zucchini. Are you guys familiar to this one? Zucchini. Hindi ko alam kung ano to sa Pilipinas. Tawag dito sa Pilipinas. Pero, yeah, this is an Australian vegetable. And I love it. So, I was just chopping one of this one. It's up to you guys what vegetable you want to put. Because I don't, as I'm telling you, oh my god, that's weird sound. Wait, Hong Kong. I am wearing Hong Kong t-shirt. Yes. Hi. Good to see you all. But anyway, it's just about funny. I am wearing my Hong Kong t-shirt that my employer bought it for me when they went to Hong Kong. Since it's raining a lot, I don't wear usually black when it's too hot, and it's cooler today. And it's raining, it will be raining the whole day again. So why not to wear black? Just to make it myself cool. Because if you are wearing a black color when it's too hot, it's getting worse. You will feel more hot. Hot means that you are hot means that you will be sweating. I know you guys thinking it is not what you were thinking. It is not what you exactly think. Sweaty. But anyway, this is a zucchini. Yes. If I used to cook my adobo, I used to put some carrots, zucchini, potato, or sometimes I use that sweet potato for my adobo because I never eat rice, so I needed to throw whatever vegetable that I can put, that it get well together with your adobo, of course. Zucchini is really good to put into your adobo, so it's up to you guys. This recipe is actually my recipe, so if you want to follow it, why not? It's just being so healthy. Vegetables, potato. Instead that you will be eating rice, just eat potato. If you don't want to, if you would like to have rice, take it out your potato, so you don't need to eat a double carbohydrates. Potato, rice, both carbohydrates. So since I don't eat rice, I needed to put potato instead of rice. Instead of rice, potato. Potato or rice, whatever. There we go. I will just chopping this into chunk, big chunk. Okay, so I will put in only one zucchini. This big. Yes. So I need to boil back this potato until it gets soft, of course, maybe about 10 minutes. So just put back the cover. Cleaning up my mess. And wrap yucky when you're putting back to the fridge. So this is the technique, guys. If you have any vegetable that needed to go into your fridge, you just needed to wrap them in a plastic to make it sure that they don't get easily yucky. And just like what I do, just wrap them in a cling wrap. There you go. And also I will show you one thing. This is also another technique. So it will keep your, there you go. I have some baby spinach here. You guys need to wash your spinach first. And then to keep it always green like this and it not get yucky, after washing, you just squeeze a little bit with all those water and put a kitchen paper onto your container where you were putting back and cover it. It will stay like this for a week, guys. Just cover it. That is just a technique for you to remember and try on, okay? That is another technique here at the kitchen. What else? But anyway, I will going back. Here you go, guys. My adobo is ready. So there's a little bit of sauce. I got already my zucchini that I just boil it for about 3 minutes, and that's it. And of course, more vegetable, more potato and zucchini than the pork. So I was showing you. And I'm ready for my lunch. It's already 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m. I think so. I think so. So it will become my 2 meals. So this is now my lunch and dinner together, guys. And the rest I will gonna have it tomorrow. Just get more. I was showing you. There you go, and just cover it. And of course, we will go to the kitchen to make you could able not kitchen, dining table. So this is now my final adobo, pork adobo with potato and zucchini. Usually, if you are cooking adobo, you don't put zucchini or any vegetable. Potato you do. But I used to put zucchini just because I don't eat rice and potato. So I used to put zucchini, potato, or sometimes carrots. But because I bought some zucchini yesterday, so I decided to put some zucchini as my vegetable added as well. Anyway, hopefully you guys will try my adobo, of course. And how I will going to do this. Yeah. Anyway, this is now my adobo, pork adobo with zucchini and potato. Hope you will guys try this recipe that I made. It's up to you. This is how I made my adobo, because I love vegetables as well. So I think I needed to say goodbye for now. And if you are new to my channel, of course, don't forget to click the notification bell button and subscribe. Anyway, I will see you on my next video so I could able to enjoy. As you could see, there is steam coming up. So that is from my adobo. It's still hot and it just cook. I will having my lunch and dinner together now. So, hopefully we'll see you again on my next video, guys. Sana suportahan nyo lagi ang aking channel. And, of course, hindi kayo makakapag-suporta sa akin kung hindi kayo mag-subscribe and clicking that bell button para ma-notify na rin po kayo kung may mga bago tayong video. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching and I will see you. Bye for now!